This is my channel. So today I am so excited because I have a stitch fix. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like the channel and its content. Tap the bell button so you get notified of all my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you, thank you, thank you. I so appreciate your loyalty to my channel. I've met so many great YouTubers. So let's get into it. Stitch Fix, you pay a $20 styling fee per box, and that gets credited towards anything you purchase. There is a styling pass that you pay $49 for the year, and that $49 gets credited towards your purchase. Mine just renewed for the third time, so I think I have a $49 credit. I guess I'll find out on my receipt. So you get your receipt, and you get your return packaging, and then you get a note from your stylist. I've been having Lucy, and I have her again. And oh, congratulations on your 60th fix. I'm really happy to be able to style you again, and I hope that this time around I'm a bit more on target. I think I sent everything back last time. 2 times ago I kept everything, last time not so much. I appreciate your feedback as well as your patience with the process as I get to know you as a personal stylist. So let's get into it. I don't see any shoes or handbags, but let's check out the bundle. It's kind of heavy. I don't even think I can pick it up. Sorry about the crunching. So the first thing I'm grabbing, it looks like a pair of pants, and are they pull-on? They look like they're pull-on stretchy pants, but they're not jeans. They're just a pull-on stretchy. They feel very soft. I don't know where I would wear them to. And they are, I guess I should find out what they are. They're the Tribal Via bootcut trouser in navy in a size 10. Now I told her I was gaining a few pounds, but now I'm actually losing a few pounds. But you never know. So we'll try those babies on. And ooh, this is a Prosperity Jolene stretch color denim jacket in a red, size large. So actually this is kind of cool. It's a different color. We're getting to our warmer season, but can always find a use for a nice little jacket. And hope you're all having a great day. And then this, of course, is like my favorite, one of my favorite colors. It's a gray. It's long sleeve, but it's got the crisscross front. It's the Emma crossbody or crossback performance top, light gray in a size large. I just have to see how it fits, but I kind of like the style. And there must be jewelry or something floating around, because this looks like the last piece, and I kind of like this. This is the Pink Clover Callian V-neck brushed knit top, dark green in a large. It looks like a 3/4 sleeve, but I'm kind of liking the front. And then it's got the kind of a scoop bottom there. Oh, there's jewelry. Now, I kind of find Stitch Fix jewelry a little bit on the pricey side. Unless you keep everything in the box, I just think it's kind of pricey. But let's see what she sent. Oh, this is actually kind of pretty. It's silver, which is what I wear. And it would probably look great depending on the length with the V-neck tops that she put in there. And this is the Bancroft Metal Seed Beads Pulley Necklace. Okay. So that is everything. So I'll be right back with the try-on. Okay, I am back with the first outfit. I am wearing the FIA bootcut trousers by Tribal, the Amina beaded adjustable necklace in silver, the pink clover V-neck brush knit in dark green, and the Prosperity Jolene stretch colored denim in red. So let's talk about the jacket. It's super cute, but it's stretchy, but I could never button it. I am very chesty, and this would look terrible buttoned, but it is super cute. It's got the pockets, and it's got this, and it's got pockets here, but I'd have to either go up to an extra large, which might be a little bit big, but the jacket is actually super, super cute. And I love the color. I will take it off, and then I have on the dark green top with the necklace. I'm liking this top. Again, it's more than a 3/4 sleeve, but it doesn't quite come down. But I love the neckline here, and it's got this little line that goes down. The necklace is super cute. I have to figure out how I can adjust it to actually go up here, because I don't like anything kind of hanging down here. But I like the top. I like the length. So the top might be a keeper. The jacket, I don't think so. And then I've got these pants on, but the problem I have with these is they kind of fit up here. I didn't put any shoes on, but I think they'd be too short. And especially if they shrink up a little, I think they'd be too short, especially if I'm gonna wear them with any type of heel or boot. So let me know what you think of these pants. So, sorry about that, keep pushing you around. I will be right back with that last top. Okay, I am back with this last top. It is the Gayam Emma Crossback Performance Top in light gray. I thought the cross part went in the front. I was wrong. It is super, super soft. The sleeves, for some reason, are a little long, which never really happens to me. It just looks very plain and simple. I probably could have kept that necklace on. I did keep the pants on, but let me know what you think about the back. I think the back is super cute. Definitely long enough. I just don't know. I would probably reach for it because just a super comfy top that I can throw on, but these sleeves might drive me crazy. So I don't know. I will be right back with the recap. Okay, I am back with the recap. What did you think of that box? Lucy is trying so hard to please me. So, the necklace. I got that great one in my Luxury Divas, and this one was just too long. I couldn't figure out how to make it short enough, so I will be sending this back. It was a pretty necklace. Had it been a lot shorter, I probably would have kept it. And this was the Bancroft Amina beaded adjustable necklace, and it was $28, but I just don't need this necklace at this point, so it will be going back. The next were these pants. I don't really need these type, I call them like work pants, casual wear. I have nowhere to wear them. I do have clothes if we have to go out somewhere to a nice dinner, brunch, or shower, or whatever comes up. I do have clothes for that. But they were borderline too short for a boot cut or any type of heel. So because of that, they will be going back. But, you know, for the price, these were the Tribal Fia bootcut trouser in navy. They were $58. Excuse me. If I kept the whole box, maybe, but I just would never reach for them. And, you know, Stitch Fix has so many nice clothes that if I was going to spend $58 or $48 or whatever, I would pick something else. So these are nice. If you're looking for something for work or casual wear, I would recommend. They pulled up very nice. There were no zippers or anything. So it was nice to be able to wear long tops and not have to worry about that bulk right there, but just not something I would reach for. And this gray top, I loved the back, but again, with having long hair, you don't even really see the back, and the front was just kind of plain. The sleeves were just a little bit long, and this was the Gallium Emma crossback performance top in light gray, and it was $44. So for me, just a plain t-shirt type of top, to pay $44, no. Had the crisscross maybe been in front and a little higher, I would have thought about it more. But yeah, this is something that I just wouldn't pay $44 for. This pink clover top, super soft. I loved it. I love the sleeve length. And this is the Callian V-neck brushed in dark green, and it's $40. I think it's pricey. I loved it. I loved it on. I loved the feel. But I don't know, $40. Let me know what you think. I'm kind of on the fence with this top because I loved the color. So let me know what you think of this top. And last, this jacket. I totally love the style. I loved the color. A little short. You know, being tall and being chesty. This is the Prosperity Jolene Stretch Colored Denim in red at $68. Not a bad price. I have no complaints about the price. But again, I can't even button it. So even if I were to wear it out on the bike or the side-by-side or anywhere, I couldn't button it. So it wouldn't help me there. but I do love this color. So with that being said, it's got to go back. So let me know what you think of this green top. I really like it, but I'm kind of on the fence. If this was like a 32 or 34, I would scoop it up, but at $40, I'm just thinking it's a little pricey for the top. So please leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. I thought it was a great box, maybe except for the pants, because that's not something I would wear. But as always, you guys oh wait, what am I thinking, guys? The total price of this box was $238, which isn't a bad price for the box. To the buy all discount would take $59.50, which would bring it to $178.50, which is really not bad for 5 pieces, especially with jacket and pants. But the jacket and pants just don't work for me. And I don't see, I know they were going to charge me for my style pass somewhere. So the 178 isn't bad. Had it all worked out, of course, I probably would have bought it all. So let me know what you think. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.